Hola mi amors, I know it's been a while, I'm so sorry, but today I'm back with another video. It is a wonton shrimp recipe. I'm going to start off with chopping up a bunch of green onions with some raw, large, deveined shrimp. I'm going to basically like paste it. I'm going to put everything all together in a bowl. I'm going to mix some cream cheese with seasonings, as you guys can see. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and just get like me hands deep in it. I'm going to mix everything together so I can get all of that flavor, everything together. So by the time I put it in the wonton wrap, it'll be so good and so flavorful. And what I'm going to do here next is I'm going to use some flour and water. So what the flour and the water is going to do is make the masa stick together. So I'm going to put in the whole shrimp ingredients. I'm going to put it in the wonton, and so when I layer the wonton masa together, it's going to stick together like glue. That way when I'm frying it, it doesn't fall apart in the pan. And I am going to be using olive oil, the light olive oil, and some grapeseed oil just for a little healthier oil fry. And I'm also going to be using it not so deep. I'm going to kind of like a saute fry it so it's not so unhealthy. This is literally, you guys, almost the best thing you can do for like a quick appetizer or like even like a quick dinner. It seems like there's a lot of steps, but it's really not that hard. And so now after I put these all together, I'm going to go ahead and put the oil in the cast iron pan, and I'm going to get them all fried up. And when they're done frying up, then you guys will see what I'll do next. So yummy! And you can choose any sauce. You can pair with any sauce you want, like a sweet and sour, a sweet chili that's pica, soy sauce, whatever your preference is. Alright guys, thanks for watching.